This guide will help you navigate the installation process for Minecraft and resolve any potential loop issues you may encounter. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth installation. Step 1. Download the installer. Visit the official Minecraft website and download the latest version of the Minecraft installer. Make sure to choose the correct version for your operating system. Step 2. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to run. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. Step 3. Check system requirements. Before proceeding, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Minecraft. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 4. Disable conflicting software. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software that may interfere with the installation process. This can help prevent the installation loop from occurring. Step 5. Complete installation and launch. Once the installation is complete, launch Minecraft from your desktop or Start menu. If you encounter any issues, consider reinstalling the game or checking for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install Minecraft and avoid any installation loops. Enjoy your gaming experience.